Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 5 is to 36 is as question mark is to 64. Given options are 6, 7, 8 and 10. Friends, to solve this, first let me read the given question, that is 5 is to 36 is as question mark is to 64. Okay. Now this 36 can be written as square of 6. The previous number is obtained by subtracting 1, that is 6 minus 1 is what? 5. Okay, this 36 can be written as square of 6. The previous number is obtained by subtracting 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. Now look at here, 64. 64 is nothing but square of 8. Okay, and the previous number is obtained by what? Subtracting 1, that is 8 minus 1, which will be 7. So the number is what? 7 over here. Now let us check the given options. The first option is 6. The second one 7, which is the right answer. Now friends, you will be getting this analogy only by practicing the more number of problems. The number of ideas you will be getting at the right time. The only thing is that you have to get the right idea at the right time. Well, we will solve some more problems.